Hi, today I will remove these modules on the Sperry autopilot computer. So here you cannot use a power screwdriver because the screws are at a very narrow angle and very near of this wall. Luckily enough I have a long screwdriver so it will not be too much pain. So I need to undo all these screws, guys. So let's do it. Okay, I did remove the screws on each module, so I can lift them. I should be able to lift them. I hope I will be able to lift them at least. Yes. Again, these pretty hardcore connectors. So each module is made of a two parts case. The top part is held in place with some screws, either on the side, on the top, or on the side here. The bottom part with the fasteners, and around it there is some kind of PVC tape to make a seal. Do not know how original it is. I have another Sperry item with aluminium tape as used as a seal. So here is the connector for it, and as you can see, it seems to be quite serious. EV gold plating, glass pass-through for the pins. So this is the first part, first module, your computer. Let me put this aside. Here a big one with, as you can see, gigantic connector. It is the signal computer. So I will directly put this in storage. Next one, the amplifier pulse wave, and they are all the three the same. The two last modules. So it is now very light. In fact, this thing is not incredibly heavy. Anyway. So again, a big connector. It is the radio coupler. On this one, which is a little smaller, I did just forget to undo the screws. There we are. This one has the plug in the other direction, and it is the trim coupler. Okay. Now we will have a look at this this part here and here, because if I remember correctly, in fact, I did never undo these covers. And it seems it is just a matter of removing a few screws. By the way, I did just find a washer. So let me try to undo this. There is the screw at the end here to remove also. No screws on the bottom. Good enough. And one more screw here for this part. Looks like it may come off this. There is some kind of a slider thing here, close you can see. So here is the main wire harness, as you can see, very beautifully made. And there is this fork things here to keep it in place. Quite a thick wire loom. As you can see, now I will remove this top this end plate. It seems it is just a deal of 4 screws. So here you have the big, better like this maybe, the big connector to connect to the aircraft harness. So you can see there is no coax in this thing, only straight pins and pretty thick pins. So here we are. So here is the back side of this plug. As you can see, pretty strong thing. And here on this plate we have more little shielded relays on a metal bracket with some capacitors made by Goodman Company. On the relays I cannot see the brand because it is hidden. So here now this thing is completely loose because yes, there is a rivet here which is broken, it seems. Okay, so we'll it will be a good opportunity to clean a little bit at the bottom. Here, as you can see, it is quite dirty. I did never clean this part, I think, and I will put it back together, and in the next video we will start having a look at the modules. So it is interesting, and you just see, it seems the front part here, the wall front panel, there are 6 screws you can remove, and it should allow to remove the entire front panel. So I guess you should be able to remove this panel, then unroute this thing through this hole, then also this thing, and the connector here, if you can take it more or less apart, maybe you can feed everything through this hole. Yes, in fact it is not sure, because we have or maybe there's just screws to keep in place the studs at the other side of the cover. And these are for the handle, yes. So anyway, yes, this all must allow to feed the harness through it. Okay, so I will clean it and put it back together. Thanks for watching. Bye.